Hello everyone and welcome. Now in today's video we're going to be doing a comparison between CapCut and Descript to see which video editor is right for you in 2025. Now, we know that choosing video editor software is tough. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one fits your needs. You might wonder if free CapCut is enough or if paid Descript is worth it. The wrong choice can lead to frustration. Complex software has a steep learning curve, while software lacking features limits creativity. This particular review helps to simplify your decision. Let's start with the overview. We've spent hours testing CapCut and Descript to create this side-by-side comparison. I'm going to give you a clear picture so you can choose the best video editor for your needs. We're going to start with CapCut. Now, CapCut is there to unwrap the creativity without breaking the bank actually. Without breaking the bank. Give CapCut a try today and see what amazing videos you can create. We have free plan available, and if you want to pay for it, you can pay $25.99 per month. The key features are intuitive interface, trending effects and features, and fast music library. So you can enrich your content with commercial resources like music, stickers, text, effects, filters. Create together, work better. You can collaborate with your team, share ideas, assets, and give feedback instantly and securely using TeamSpace. So one video editor for all, whether you're trying to boost your business, meet your professional needs, or create videos on the go. Whatever your needs are, CapCut is the app for you. The simple video editing tool you can use anywhere, create videos in your desktop, laptop, browser, or phone. This is the app for the desktop. This is online, and then this is the mobile. So you can secure the plan privacy with CapCut. Start your video creating journey now. Now let's look at the script next. Now, if you want to experience the feature of video editing, the script AI features will revolutionize your workspace. Sign up for a free trial and see. There's a free plan, but the premium plan starts at $20 per month. The key features are automatic transcription, screen recording, and multi-track editing. Now, as you can see, there are the features there, like this is video editing, podcasting, clips, rooms, AI, speech transcription, screen recording, and captions. We have so many icon tags, green screen, automatic multi-cam, video regenerate, and so many. You can also meet the on the road. This is the AI assistant that will help bring your creative visions to life. Now let's look at the pricing for this script, and we'll go back to the pricing for CapCut. So this is the pricing for this script. We have hobbyist $12, and then we have great $24, and business $55, and free $0, and enterprise custom price. Let's look at CapCut and see if we can get the pricing. Oh yeah, CapCut is free, it's true. So if you look at this two now, we'll do a summary of both of them. You see, CapCut, number one, is free, so you can download things without spending a dime. It's trending, so you can stay current with the latest filters and effects. It can help you find the perfect soundtrack for your videos, and it's easy for editing, trimming, splitting, and merging clips effortlessly. Like I said, the price and everything is free, but if you want to have a monthly plan, you can pay $25.99 monthly credits, and you get 3 social media accounts, 5 GB storage, AI-powered video, and image creation. So, I also get 1,000 credits per month if you decide to go for the paid version. It also products and content management under it. I can also see a performance overview and analytics. Then, what are the pros? The pros is that it is easy. Yes. It has easy music and sound effect addition, trendy and fun filters and effects. It's great for quick edits on the go. The con is that you have ads actually in the free version. Some advanced features require subscription, and it's not powerful as other desktop software. Now let's look at the script. Summary of the script. The key features are AI transcription, edit videos like the Pro, or like a document also, because you can change words in the transcript to edit your video. Screen recording, you can capture your screen with crystal clear audio. Multi-track editing, you can work with multiple audio and video tracks like a pro. Podcast studio, which means you can record, edit, and publish a podcast all in one place. So as for the pricing, you start with the free, then we have hobbies, creator, and the rest of them I already mentioned earlier. Let's look at the pros and the cons. The pros is innovative text-based editing, powerful AI features for audio and video enhancement, collaborative editing made easy, automatic transcription that helps you save time. As for the cons, some advanced features require a learning curve, requires a stable internet connection, and the AI's voice cloning may not always be perfect. So after comparing the features, let's break it down. Under user interface and ease of use, CAPCUT offers a mobile-first experience with a user-friendly interface, which has a mobile version. This free video editor is best for beginners and those who want to edit video clips on the go. Its intuitive design makes it very easy to create stunning videos with just a few clicks. As for Descript under user interface and ease of use, it provides a more traditional desktop-style interface with some unique elements, while initially less intuitive. The AI-powered features streamline complex tasks, making it a very powerful tool for video editors who want to push all the boundaries. Now let's compare their video editing capabilities. For CAPCUT, it offers a wide range of video editing tools, including trimming, splitting, merging, and adding transitions. It's also packed with trendy filters and effects to make your videos pop. As for Descript, it goes beyond basic editing with innovative transcript-based editing. You can edit video clips by simply deleting or changing words in the transcript. It also boasts advanced features like multi-track editing and audio editing software. So when it comes to the AI-powered features, CAPCUT, while not as AI-heavy as Descript, does offer some smart features like auto captioning and background removal, while Descript leverages AI to the fullest, with automatic transcription, text-based video editing, and even the ability to create realistic voiceover from text. This makes it a standout choice for podcasters and those who want to streamline their video editing workflow. Let's look at accessibility and platform compatibility. On the CAPCUT, we have primarily a mobile video editing app available for iOS and Android devices, but has a web version but it has limited features compared to the app. For Descript, it is a desktop-based video editing tool compatible with Mac and Windows. Also offers a web version with full functionality. Let's look at the custom pricing. CAPCUT is a completely free video editor with optional in-app purchases for premium effects and features. While Descript offers a fully free plan with limited features, but a paid plan starts at $3 per month and allows the full power of its video editing software. Let's look at collaboration and sharing. CAPCUT makes it easy to share awesome creations on social media platforms directly from the app. Collaboration features are somewhat limited. For Descript, it offers robust collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to edit and comment on projects in real time. This makes it ideal for teams and remote work. Let's look at target audience. CAPCUT is best suited for casual creators, social media enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a user-friendly and free online video editor. While Descript is a great video editing tool for podcasters, YouTubers, educators, and professionals who need advanced features and AI-powered tools. In conclusion, both CAPCUT and Descript are valuable additions to the world of video editing platform and software, but the best free video editor for you will totally depend on your specific needs, budget, and workflow preference. So please consider the key features, the pros and the cons discussed to make an informed decision. Happy editing! Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.